Owayesakuba nguMongameli uThabo Mbeki uthi iANC ithumela umyalezo ongenabunyani eluntwini ngelithi lo mbutho unezinto ezinhle anokumisa ngawo. uMbeki uthi izinto azihambi kakuhle kulo mbutho. Uthi iANC kumele ilungise izinto ezihamba gwenxa.
Because we had not addressed this matter raised by Nelson Mandela in 1997 about his careerists, because we had failed to address that matter, that would have many of them within the organization. And therefore, when we say renewal, I think the point that the provincial chair made, can you renew the ANC with those careerists? And the answer was no. You can't. Doesn't make sense. It wouldn't make sense.
uMbeki ugxeka amalungu ombutho angafuni ukuthi bucala kwezikhundla zawo.
You get people at national leadership of the ANC who openly defy decisions of the National Executive Committee and even take the ANC to court to challenge decisions of the National Executive Committee. What is that?
uMbeki uthi iCovid-19 iveze isimo esingesihlanga secandelo lezempilo. Ndingulubaba lodada kwindaba zeSABC, ndiseMonti.